You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this car model. We'll be looking at how to say more car names too that too many people get wrong, so if you're a car enthusiast, stay tuned. Cadillac is how it's said. The brand name, Escalade, so it's a stress on both first syllables here. Cadillac Escalade. It's easy, and now you know. Do you like the Escalade? It's a cool car, right? More videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.